Okay, so we're going to look at ARR. I just wanted to make sure that you're getting the entire screen. So average rate of return, that's the second method for investment appraisal. Much better than payback, I'll tell you later. That's the formula. In exams, you're given a formula sheet that looks like this. It's from IB, so every exam you're given this. And in the second page, you have formula for investment appraisal. So both SLs, HLs receive this. So I'm literally pulling out the formula from the sheet and I've written it on the board. Okay, so it's total returns minus capital cost, which is nothing but the initial cost of the machine. The total returns are what you've actually received as returns in the 5 years for this question. And then years of usage. So you've got total returns minus capital cost over years of usage. So that's just the numerator. The whole divided by capital cost, that is initial cost, times 100. So this is the formula that's given to you excuse me, in the sheet. So I'm going to substitute the numbers. How do I get total returns? Just add them up. 650. So I'm going to substitute $650,000 minus the capital cost. The cost of this machine is $200,000 divided by years of usage is 5 years. The whole over the cost, capital cost, which is nothing but the cost of the machine, that's $200,000 times 100. So you get $450,000 over $200,000 times 100, which is equivalent to 22.5%. So the ARR for machine A is 22.5%. Now we're going to do for machine B. Same method. I'm going to add all the inflows up. So it's $1.3 million. So in my formula, I'm going to substitute this figure, $1.3 million minus the initial cost, capital cost of 350 over 5 years, the whole divided by the capital cost, which is $350,000, times 100. And I think the answer is 54.3%. So the ARR for machine B is 54.3%, whilst it's 22.5% for machine A. What it implies is that machine B is giving you a much higher return than machine A, which means for every $100, you get only $22.5 back as a return on machine A, whereas for machine B, you receive $54.3. So therefore, you go with the answer which shows the higher option, okay? So then definitely ARR is better than payback simply because it takes into account the entire life of that asset. All the years, whatever returns, nothing is left out. Everything is incorporated into our decision making, and therefore, this is much better than payback. Just a little bit of extra work, but it's worth it.